I hit this issue today and here's the quick fix that solved it. If you're having trouble with payments on Gumroad, follow these steps to get things sorted out. Step 1. Check payment method. Ensure that the payment method you are using is valid and has sufficient funds. Sometimes, expired cards or insufficient balances can cause payments to fail. Step 2. Verify billing information. Make sure that the billing information you entered matches what your bank has on file. Mismatched addresses or names can lead to payment issues. Step 3. Clear browser cache. Sometimes, your browser's cache can interfere with the payment process. Clear your cache and cookies, then try again. Step 4. Disable browser extensions. Certain browser extensions can block payment processing. Disable any ad blockers or privacy extensions temporarily and retry the payment. Step 5. Contact Gumroad support. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the srock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Getting payments to go through can be a hassle, but following these steps should help. If you still have issues, don't hesitate to reach out for help.